Ayan, ganyan ang itsura ng Eiffel Tower sa gabi. Hindi na. Okie dokie. We are here at the Eiffel Tower. Tingnan natin kung ano yung isa-serve nila sa restaurant. I suppose doon kami sa antaas eh. Hopefully. Ayan ang pupuntahan namin. Jules Verne, Madame Brashear. There you go. Yan ang pupuntahan namin. Jules Verne. O ito yung underneath ng Eiffel Tower. Whoa. Tingin ka. Yan ang kasama ko mag-dinner. Hello. I caught you already, anak. Is it okay? Thank you. Okay. Elevator. Thank you. Elevator na kami. Punta kami taas. Ayan. Going to what floor?
Second floor.
Second floor?
Yeah, in 123 meters, the restaurant Jules Verne.
Okay.
Yeah. This is your first time in Paris?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Where are you from?
Philippines and California. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So. Wow. So what's the 110 meters? That's how high it is?
No, it's 300.
300?
Yeah, that's your Eiffel Tower.
Okay. But the restaurant is one.
It's second floor.
Second floor.
Well, yeah, in the one you can see here.
That's the one, 123?
Yeah. I wish you a great moment. It's here in New York.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Bienvenue. Hello, may we take your coat first? It's very warm inside.
Nasa 123 feet kami.
The reservation is under the name of...
Wow. It's amazing. Ito yung loob ng Jules Verne restaurant dito sa si chat nga ka.
Sino?
That's fine.
Who are you talking?
Second menu. Imagine, yan ang view pag nandito ka sa sabi nila second deck ng Eiffel Tower. Yan ang entire city.
Take a quick picture and then let's head back in.
Yeah. And then, ayan, yung Eiffel Tower. Hello. Alright.